I created this so I could actually rebuild a marine engine on an order, and all I did was using the system here. I created an LBR labor code that has other labors underneath it that I can use basically as a kit. With that said, right, you can build multiple labor operations in here to facilitate what you need done. You can also edit or change the notes on this. So if you go into your F4 edit, this brings you into that description. You can type in what you're doing, right? This allows your technicians to also track their time into and out of the system. They'll see each one of these labor operations or labor codes in Shop Time Manager and be able to track their time. Now you can add in other parts as well. Like for instance, I added this exhaust plug onto this. You could add in other kits that are coating kits. They are your fiberglass kits. They are whatever you're using to build your boat, right? Or to refurbish your boat, or if you're adding a mast, or maybe you need to replace the back wakeboard um, platform, right? You can get all of that into the system. You could add in the carpet, the upholstery, the vinyl, right? Whatever you're using to refurb those boats, you can build that into the system here. Hope all this helps and everybody enjoys this. Talk to you soon. Thanks.